Have you ever encountered a technical problem while using Messenger? Whether it's an error message or a glitch, technical problems can be frustrating. In this video, we'll show you how to report a technical problem in Messenger. This is a great feature that can help you resolve any issues you're having with the app. Let's get started. Step 1. Shake your phone. One of the easiest ways to report a technical problem is by shaking your phone a couple of times. This will bring up the Report menu, which you can use to report any issues you're having with the app. Step 2. Tap on Report. In the Report menu, tap on the option to report a technical problem. Step 3. Fill out the form. The reporting form includes a series of questions that allow you to report the technical problem you're experiencing. Make sure to be as detailed as possible so that the issue can be resolved quickly. Alternatively, if shaking your phone doesn't work, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Tap on the 3 stacked lines. In the top left corner of the Messenger screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. Step 2. Tap on the gear icon. Next, tap on the gear icon next to your username. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Report a Technical Problem. In the Safety section of the Settings menu, scroll down until you reach the Report a Technical Problem option. Tap on this to access the reporting form. Reporting a technical problem in Messenger is an important step in keeping the app running smoothly. Remember that Messenger takes reports seriously and will investigate any issues that are reported. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from us. Thanks for watching.